How to change notification tone on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change notification tone on Android phone. First then open settings and then click here, search, and now just type notification tone and scroll down until you find this one, notification tone. Click on it and here you can change it. Just select any tone you want and you can even take it from your device, and just that's it. You can change it by one click, and that's how to change a notification tone on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.